Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Jess. Today we are reading Ebenezer the Sneezer by Decory Hale. Ebenezer was a sneezer. Ebenezer sneezed so much. He sneezed on everything he touched. He sneezed on his bright red car. He sneezed on the clear glass jar. He sneezed on a brown spotted dog. He sneezed on a bumpy green frog. He sneezed in every room of the house. He even sneezed on the little gray mouse. He sneezed on the furry gray cat. He sneezed on his wooden baseball bat. He sneezed on his favorite blue dish. Somehow, he even sneezed on the baby goldfish. He sneezed under his favorite drooping tree. He sneezed on the little bitty bumblebee. He sneezed in the bright red barn. He sneezed all around that great big farm. He sneezed on a can. He sneezed on a man. He sneezed on the boat. He sneezed on his coat. He sneezed on a tire. He sneezed on the fire. He sneezed on the rug. He sneezed on the slug. One day, Ebenezer had simply had enough. He wanted to stop this ridiculous sneezing stuff. He went to the clinic to fix his trouble and said, "Please, I need a doctor on the double." The doctor tried his best to fix his pains. He tried to stop the sneezes again and again. At last, the doctor ran through the door. He said, "Hooray, Ebenezer! I found a cure. This spoon of medicine should do the trick." Ebenezer drank it down quick, quick, quick. Will it work, he wondered? He wasn't quite sure. But alas, he sneezes. Nope, no more. The end. Thanks for joining me today on Storytime with Jess. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. Bye, friends.